Nifty bulls will aim to regroup and look forward towards an inspiring, fantastic Friday. Hopefully, Nifty ends the day and the week with a bang on backdrop of short covering plus value buying. The good news, the talks of recession in the US, the talks of hard landing, political instability in the US, rising tensions in the Middle East, the yen carry trade are all off the front pages this Friday morning. Well, GIFT Nifty is aiming for a massive rebound. The positive catalysts: 1. Wall Street building on gains. 2. A better than expected reading for weekly jobless claims. 3. Most importantly, the US VIX tumbled 10.5% lower in overnight session towards $25. Please note, US VIX had spiked to a 4-year high of $60 earlier this week. Bottom line, on that positive note, expect a brighter Friday for struggling Nifty and its stocks. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 2627 crores while DIIs were net buyers to the tune of Rs 577 crores. Sentiments continue to be bullish. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are still indicating rebound play from oversold zone. Fando August month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,500 to 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index are at 16.60 levels. Nifty PCR, 29th August, is at 1.40 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 28th August, is at 0.91. Nifty outlook, bullish day out. Nifty, CMP to 4117. Key intraday support on Nifty is placed only at 24,000 mark. Immediate resistance is placed at 24,389 mark. Range for the day is between 24,000 and to 4400. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 50157. Bank Nifty's biggest support seen at 48,910 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 51,151 mark. Bank Nifty is likely to trade between 49,700 and 50,700. Bias for the day is positive. In yesterday's trade, Nifty ended on an extremely weak note. Blame it on hawkish RBI tone which sent stocks lower. Honestly speaking, the pessimism was seen, reawakening the bears. Everything went out the door as investors ran for the exits en masse. That said, please note, the best part is that our stock markets are not reacting to any terrible headlines in any negative manner for more than one day. That brings us to the big question, is now again the time to buy stocks? The biggest positive catalyst, there is a bright chance that the Federal Reserve succeeds in bringing inflation to heel without crashing the economy. Q1 results to trickle in today, Friday, 9th August, Aarti Industries, Alkem, Balkrishna Industries, Burger Paint, Grasim, Jubilant Foods, Sun TV.